Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by choosing a striking start point and a contrasting end point. Pick landmarks that read well on small screens and during fast motion. Aim for a final video length of about 30 seconds for Reels. Script a 3-step path and previsualize timing using a 24 to 30 FPS estimate. Map the keyframes: start, mid-zoom, and finish. Note pacing in seconds for each segment so edits feel intentional and rhythmic on social platforms. Use Google Earth Pro or the web version to set precise camera keyframes. Lock your camera angles and add intermediate waypoints for smoother motion. Export at 24 to 30 FPS and record a vertical 9 to 16 composition for Reels. Apply easing curves so zoom speed accelerates then decelerates naturally. Keep at least 5 seconds on key areas to provide context and visual rest. Check for jitter by playing at full speed before final export. Edit in a vertical timeline and trim to a 30-second attention window. Stabilize any micro jitter and add motion blur lightly to sell realism. Add ambient sound, a punch beat at 0, 0.3, and a single caption for quick context. Use color grading to boost contrast and saturation for mobile viewing. Export at 1080 by 1920 h, 264 codec, and try to keep the file under 15 MB.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.